Tube for London has the new Piccadilly line, the 2024 stock, and they're already here in London. But the question I have in mind is, what will the new Central and Bakerloo line trains, what would the aesthetics be? There was an image posted by I don't know who. I reckon that could be the new train for the Bakerloo line, or it could be the Central line. I'm more leaning towards the Bakerloo line. I saw another image that has the Class 700s in the Elizabeth line livery. If they had the Class 700s in that livery for the Elizabeth line, it would probably operate more faster. I've also seen a Class 378 in a London Underground livery. If they had to roll that out for the London Underground, it had to be serving all London Underground lines. It would probably operate slower than the tube trains that we have now. But they do have some speed, the Class 378s. What do you think the new Bakerloo and Central line trains would look like? I know they have updated the Bakerloo line, adding door rails, so having rails by the doors so for passengers to hold onto the doors. They've added wheelchair space, and the announcement screen board has changed, and they've updated the voice to Adrian Hyatt. There's also the refurbished new Central line trains coming soon. Jeff Marshall said they'll be rolling out sometime this year, might be early or late. I'm excited. Spring is coming very soon, I'd say, and they planned for the XD stock for the GWRs, Airways Ealing to Greenfield branch, to be rolled out for the spring loading 2 trains, which will make it every half an hour now, so it'll be every 15 minutes. Can't wait.